If you're having any issues downloading and opening Microsoft Word documents, and if you have some familiarity with Google Docs, this might be a really good option for you. If you click on blank to start a new document, I'm just at docs.google.com. Click on blank, and if you go to File, Open, you'll want to click on your Downloads folder, Open, and you can click on the assignment that you're looking for. If I scroll down, let's find an assignment here. I just double clicked on it. I'm going to go ahead and click Open with Google Docs. And you can fill out the graded assignment or any other Microsoft Word documents right here. So once you fill this out, what you would do is you would want to make sure you have the name of the assignment changed. So you'd want to put your name in there. You click on File, Download As, and I would recommend doing PDF document. That way the assignment can't be edited anymore, and it's the easiest way to save it onto your computer. If you're having Microsoft Word issues, you won't want to download it as a Microsoft Word document. So we'll click PDF document. You can see the assignment downloaded right down here at the bottom. So if I click on that, it'll show me that PDF. So hopefully this is a good workaround for you if you're trying to complete Microsoft Word documents, but it's just giving you a tough time. As always, I would always recommend contacting tech support. That number is 866-512-2273, and they should be able to try and help. If you're not able to get through there, always feel free to reach out to myself and we can share screens and try and go over it. But this is a good workaround for if you need to get assignments done right away. Let me know if you have any questions.